Okay, so today we're going to look at adding integers, so adding positive and negative whole numbers and determining which way or which direction our value is moving. So whether we're going to be moving in a positive direction or a negative direction. Okay, so when we're looking at directional numbers, we look at whether they move in a positive or negative direction. So anything that is positive is anything to the right of 0, and anything that's negative is to the left of 0. So we know that our 0 is our center point, and then we have infinite positive numbers and infinite negative numbers. So let's decide whether the results of these problems here will be positive or negative or 0. So positive 12 plus positive 15 is going to give us a positive answer. Now we're not bothered by what the answer is yet, but we're going to give a positive answer. Negative 7 plus negative 11. Well, that's actually going to give us a negative answer because we're adding negative 11, which means we're actually moving again in the negative direction. Negative 19 plus positive 19 gives us 0. Negative 13 plus positive 9 gives us a negative, and negative 12 plus 17 gives us a positive. Okay, so let's do some examples now, and we're going to use the number line below to help us to solve these problems. Now we're going to remember, if we're adding a positive integer, we're going to be moving in the right direction, becoming more positive. And if we're adding a negative integer, we're going to be moving in the left direction. Okay, so that's important to remember. So let's start with positive 2. So we'll pop that on our number line down at positive 2 plus negative 5. So negative 5 tells us we're moving into the left 5 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer for positive 2 plus negative 5 is negative 3. Let's do the second one. So starting at negative 4. And we're going to add 9 this time. So it says adding positive 9, which means we're moving in the positive direction, so to the right on our number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is positive 5. So some of you will be able to do this without using a number line, and that's really, really good, but sometimes it can become a little bit confusing, especially if we're doing like a negative plus a negative. Well, that's a little confusing. So it's important to be able to first visualize that number line and use that number line, and then eventually get practicing without using that number line. Okay guys, that's it for now. Remember, if you have any questions, please make sure you ask. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.